Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the Switch 2 firmware is up to date and you have a working Wi-Fi connection. Once connected, use a mobile hotspot or any network that forces a sign-in page. This triggers the hidden web view. Make sure to open System Settings, then Internet Settings, and tap your network. Do not close settings. Once the captive portal loads, you've opened the system browser shell, which allows the next step, navigating to Google. Once the captive portal or web view is active, focus the address input. Sometimes long pressing a link exposes the address bar. Type www.google.com into the field and submit with the on-screen keyboard. You may need to select menu options to request the desktop site for full functionality. This reveals advanced search tools and sign-in. Make sure to stay in that browser shell. Avoid returning to home too quickly. After Google loads, you can sign in and use standard searches. To finish, sign into your Google account to keep search history and sync open tabs. This makes future use smoother. Save Google as a bookmark or shortcut within that web view so you can reopen it without re-triggering the portal. If pages fail to load, try restarting your mobile hotspot, forget the network and reconnect, or toggle Wi-Fi. These actions force the captive portal to reload. If nothing works, reboot the console and repeat the captive portal step to reopen the browser shell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.